Sierra Gomez here, also known as Recipes with Sierra. I'm a food blogger and a recipe developer, and I'm here with Caforia Canada today to talk to you guys about how you can make your own chocolate fudge using maca powder. Some awesome benefits of maca powder would be contains many antioxidants. It also contains lots of vitamins, including B12, which is a great alternative for a plant-based diet. It's an energy booster and overall just helps balance blood sugar levels. But those are just few of its many benefits. So this recipe is great not only for its nutritional value, but it's also super easy and super quick to make. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So you're either gonna use a high-speed blender or you can use a food processor. It's just important that you get a silky consistency no matter which way you do it. So in either your blender or food processor, I'm using a blender, you're first gonna add your dates. You wanna get pitted dates. If yours you find are not softened, you can soften them in hot water for about 10 minutes before adding them into your blender. After your dates are added in, you can add the rest of your ingredients. So you're gonna add cocoa powder, walnuts, which is gonna give it that yummy crunch that we all know and love, 2 pinches of sea salt, generous pinches of sea salt, half a cup of melted coconut oil. You wanna make sure it's melted. And then as a sweetener, we're gonna use my favorite sweetener, which is just all natural organic maple syrup, okay? And last but not least, the most important ingredient, your maca. So you wanna add 5 tablespoons of maca powder into your blend. Once you have all your ingredients all set, you're ready to blend. So once you have a thick, smooth texture, looking like this one, you can take your batter by the tablespoons and place them in either greased ice cube trays, which is what I have here, or if you don't have that, you can get a 6x6 glass baking pan and you can grease that as well, or line it with parchment paper. So you just want to put about a tablespoon in each. We greased these ones with coconut oil, but you can really use any neutral oil, so avocado oil would be a good alternative as well if you want to take the ice cube route as well. So once you have your fudge placed inside of your tray or cubes, you can start adding stuff on top. So I made this mix of seeds and chocolate and cranberries. So I'm gonna sprinkle that on top, but you can do whatever your heart desires. So once you have added your toppings and your tray is all fini, you can add it into the freezer and you want to place it in there for about 1 hour, maybe more, maybe less, so you just want to check on it periodically. And ta-da! Foodies, we did it! We made our fudge. So, one last note, one great thing about the maca powder is it does have almost like a caramel taste. So that combined with the dates is what ultimately makes these dudes taste so good. All right, so I'm gonna dig in. Perfect. Delicious. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll catch you next time.